Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ep9 800 is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the pristine quality of your water, ensuring that every sip you take is pure, refreshing, and free from impurities that can affect both taste and health. This replacement filter is designed to seamlessly integrate into your existing system, offering a powerful yet simple solution to a common household need, and it's crucial for anyone prioritizing a healthy lifestyle and a clean living environment. Number 5. Funmit 1043 Super Humidifier Wick Filter, 2-pack. This replacement filter is designed to be compatible with a wide range of Essick air care and Bemis Space Saver humidifiers. It's a versatile option for many homes, ensuring you can find the right fit for your existing unit. Experience superior performance with our upgraded filter. Featuring hot glue strips and a dense construction, it's made with reinforced mesh paper and advanced technology for better moisture displacement and optimal air quality. This filter effectively captures hard minerals from water, preventing white powder from settling in your room. It helps maintain a moist and breathable atmosphere, especially during dry winter months, for a healthier environment. For best results, replace the filter every 2 to 3 months. Installation is simple and requires no tools. Just remove the old filter and insert the new one to restore your humidifier's optimal performance. We are committed to providing high-quality replacement parts and excellent service. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we offer support for any quality concerns you may have. What we like. This filter offers wide compatibility with numerous Essick Air and Bemis models. Its premium quality construction ensures excellent absorption, preventing white powder from spreading. If you have a compatible humidifier and are looking for a filter that effectively combats hard water minerals and boosts moisture output, this is a great choice. What people say. The filter works well and is easy to install. It effectively removes odors and improves air quality. The filter is a perfect fit for the Ep9 800 model. Number 4. Think Crucial Humidifier Filter Replacement. Ensure your home's air is clean and healthy with our premium humidifier filter replacements. Designed for optimal performance, they help purify your air effectively. Replacing your old filter is simple and takes less than 5 minutes. Just swap out the old one for a new one and enjoy improved air quality right away. These durable filters are designed to last, recommended for replacement every 3 to 6 months. They maintain your humidifier's efficiency and can even help reduce utility costs. Our filters are compatible with Air Care Part number 1043 and various models, including EP9500, EP9700, EP9800 series, and Essick models. They fit perfectly and dry better for optimal humidity output. Think Crucial is committed to providing high-quality, durable replacement parts. We ensure thorough quality control for compatibility and performance you can rely on. Experience the difference clean, purified air can make in your daily life. Our filters contribute to a healthier living environment for you and your family. What we like. This filter is designed for a clean and healthy lifestyle, offering simple and easy installation in under 5 minutes. It's a long-lasting replacement that ensures your humidifier works efficiently without impacting utility bills. If you need a single, reliable filter that's easy to maintain and provides a significant improvement in air quality, consider this option. What people say. The filter works great and the water tastes so much better. This filter is a perfect fit for my Ep9 and it is easy to install. I have been using this filter for a month now and it is still working perfectly. Number 3. Essick Air Ep9 Series Humidifier Wick Filter. Keep your humidifier running smoothly with our high-quality replacement wick filters. Designed for maximum water absorption, they ensure optimal moisture output for a comfortable home environment. These filters are compatible with a wide range of Essick Air Ep9 and Space Saver models. Check the description for a full list of compatible part numbers and series. Crafted with over 50 pieces of premium filter paper, our filters maximize water absorption. This means more efficient humidification and a better living space for you. For the best results, always use distilled water in your humidifier. Replace the filter every 2 to 3 months, depending on usage and water quality, to maintain peak performance. Our filters are not only washable and reusable but also feature an advanced, lower-density structure. This design offers higher efficiency and a larger surface area for moisture displacement. Replacing your old filter is a breeze. It's designed for easy installation and removal, requiring no tools. We're here to help if you encounter any issues. What we like. Featuring a design with over 50 pieces of high-quality filter paper, this filter maximizes water absorption for optimal moisture output. It's also washable and reusable, offering a cost-effective solution. If you're looking for a filter that provides superior moisture output, is environmentally friendly, and easy to maintain, this washable and reusable option is ideal. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Ep9 800. It effectively removes odors and impurities from the air. Easy to install and replace. Number 2. ANTOBLE 1043 Humidifier Filter Replacement. Introducing the ANTOBLE 1043 Humidifier Filter, designed to keep your air fresh and clean. This is an upgraded version for optimal performance. Our filter features an advanced lower density structure with over 50 sheets of high-quality reinforced paper. This provides superior absorbency and moisture output compared to others. Experience exceptional durability and efficiency with this premium filter. Its design ensures better quality, less pressure, and a longer lifespan, preventing sagging even when wet. Replacing your old filter is simple. Just run the humidifier out of water, remove the top and frame, swap out the old one for the new, and reassemble. This 1043 filter is perfectly compatible with various AirCare Essick Air and Bema Space Saver evaporative humidifier models. Ensure a perfect fit for your unit. For the best performance from your evaporative humidifier, it's recommended to replace the filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on your usage and water conditions. What we like. This upgraded filter boasts more than 50 sheets of high-quality paper, offering higher efficiency and a larger surface area for better absorbency and moisture output. It's designed to be durable and prevent sagging. If you prioritize a filter with enhanced absorption capabilities and a longer lifespan due to its robust construction, this is the one to consider. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Ep9 800. It effectively removes impurities and improves water taste. Easy to install and replace. Number 1. ANTOBLE 1043 Super Humidifier Wick Filter Replacement, 2-pack. Introducing the ANTOBLE 1043 Super Humidifier Wick Filter, designed to keep your air fresh and moist. This pack includes 2 high-quality replacement filters. Our upgraded filter features an advanced, lower-density structure with over 50 sheets of high-quality wicking paper, significantly more than standard filters. This ensures superior moisture absorption and output. Crafted for durability, this premium filter boasts a higher efficiency and better quality. Its design maximizes surface area for enhanced absorbency, preventing sagging and ensuring longer use. Replacing your old filter is a breeze. Simply run your humidifier out of water, remove the top and frame, swap out the old wick for the new one, and reassemble. This versatile wick filter is perfectly compatible with various AirCare Essick Air and Bema Space Saver evaporative humidifier models, ensuring a perfect fit for your appliance. For the best performance from your evaporative humidifier, we recommend replacing the wick every 1 to 3 months, depending on your usage and water hardness. What we like. This is an upgraded, durable filter designed with over 50 sheets of high-quality paper for superior absorbency and moisture output. Coming in a convenient 2-pack, it ensures you have a replacement ready. If you need a long-lasting, high-performance filter for your humidifier and appreciate the value of a multi-pack, this option is perfect for ensuring continuous comfort. What people say. The filter is a perfect fit for the Ep9 800. It effectively removes impurities and improves water taste. Easy to install and replace. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.